Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Today's video, I really wanted to do a thrift flip. I thought we would just go to the thrift store and see if there are things that I can turn into something else. That is basically the plan. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but like, I wanna do something definitely home decor wise. Nothing clothing, yes, home decor for sure. Let's see what we can do. These are pretty cool. There's two that match. Really like those. This is hard. You have to really like think outside the box. What is this? Wow, look at this. $4.99. Gorgeous. I love this color. I feel like this section would be like a really good place to find things to flip, or at the very least this would be a good spot to find things. Little cubes with dried flowers. I feel like wood is a really good section to look for DIY-able objects. This is like a really cool lamp. I like that. Also, look at this light. That's pretty cool. And this isn't what this video is about, but look at this amazing dress I just found. Okay, bear with me, but what if we took placemats and made them into pillows? You know what I'm saying? Because like, there are so many cute little placemats. These are cool. I'm not like a fan of the color, but like, that could be a cool pillow. Alright, so I got two sets. This is the first set. I love this. It's gonna bring some color to the couch. I'm really excited about it. $3.99. I also picked up these, which are like decorative placemats, and we'll be kind of tackling these later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. I also picked up this. This is like a ball of yarn. It was $1.99. This was basically the closest color match that I could find at the thrift store. I also have this needle. It's actually for yarn, so you're able to fit it through this little loophole. I am just putting it through here, and then just like you would with your typical needle and thread, you're gonna pull it through your needle, line up the ends of your yarn, tie a knot, and then you should have something that looks like this. So how this is gonna work, you're gonna line up your pillowcase as best as you can, and then you're gonna start at the corner of your pillow. So you're just going to pull your yarn through till you get to that end where there should be a knot. So coming out this side, pulling it through, and then going back through that exact same side about ½ an inch to an inch from where you came out. You legit can barely see this. Like, it blends so well. This was such a great color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work my way around. So I've gone around pretty much the whole thing, and I just have this little pocket that's left open. This is how we're gonna put in all of the stuffing. For stuffing, you could use old t-shirts. I actually have this old Christmas dog toy, which I washed, and the dogs just don't like it. I think a great way to reuse something that was gonna go in the garbage. Then we're just gonna continue what we were just doing, which is just sewing this line together. Now you want to make sure that you end on the same side that your little tie is on. That way you can tie this together. This turned out, like, honestly way better than I even expected. It's so adorable, and you can barely see where we stitched it. So you guys are probably wondering about these, and I'm envisioning something great. This material, when you wet it, it becomes like very bendy. I have a spray bottle here, and we are just going to wet this. Again, start bending it and working out those kinks. Oh yeah, it's becoming super bendy now. I learned this because I had like a dried flower that I wanted to reshape, and I just did this. So I was like, oh my god, that's like the perfect idea. You guys, look how flexible these are now. It's crazy. That's exactly what we want. Now you guys might remember from another DIY that I did, I used something called raffia. So to replace the use of yarn as we did use in the other one, we're gonna use raffia, keep everything natural. To make this into a pillow, we need to attach these together. So I'm threading through a piece of raffia. Again, we're gonna tie the piece of the raffia at the end. And what we're gonna do here is thread through the braid. So as you can see there, we threaded through. So instead of going back in like we would have done with the pillowcase, we're actually going to take this over. We're gonna keep going in the same side. So going through the exact same side we just went through. I think that that looks really good and keeps it nice and tight. Try to go through holes in the braid that already exist. So you're gonna work your way around basically like that. I've left, again, like we did with the other pillow, this little opening here to stuff it. Now this is obviously a decorative pillow for anyone wondering. First thing that you're gonna need to do is take some of your raffia. It comes in like these long pieces, and figure out how long you want the tassels on your pillow to be. So we're gonna be folding our tassels in half. So my tassels are going to be approximately like this long. Then you're just gonna need to cut your raffia into little strips. Then you can bring in your pillow, and this is exactly what we're going to be doing. Don't these tassels look so amazing? I'm so obsessed. It would help if you still had your needle, it just makes it a little bit easier. You're going to take your tassel and fold it in half. Then you're going to take it and put it just inside the needle ever so slightly, just about like that far. You're going to find a little spot, like this for me would be like a really great spot. Put your needle through, and then you're gonna bring the tassel through with you, just like such, and then you can take your needle out, and then you're gonna open up the top of the little tassel, take the ends, stick them through, and then pull tight. And then you will have your tassel attached on. It's good, I find, if you do them like pretty close together, as you can kind of see here, because then the more you have, the better it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do all the way along here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This is literally my favorite thrift flip I've ever done. These are the cutest pillows. I think they match the studio so perfectly. I would love to see your guys' creations if you do this placemat to pillowcase sort of transformation. DM me on Instagram. I would love to share them. I'm so excited about this. I hope you guys are too, and I hope you guys feel a little bit inspired. I love you guys so much, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.